Yeah. What's your name and where are you from?
So I'm Damien from Build in Melbourne, Australia, residential builder. I've come on the China direct buying trip to see all the products. Lindy has organised the whole trip. It's been a jam-packed itinerary and have been going to many factories to see all the quality products getting made, and wow, just been absolutely blown away seeing things that we don't have in Australia yet, and also seeing lots of really good quality building materials for a really good price.
Well, give us an example of what did you see?
We went to a stone and tile factory, and we were just blown away. It's all porcelain and it looks like real stone, and the prices was just unbelievable. About $22 a square metre, and you can get these massive slabs, 3.6 by 1200. Looks like real travertine, and I was just blown away.
How much will that same stone in Australia?
That same stone would be about 200 a square metre.
Really?
So it was mind blowing. I just want to clad my whole house in it.
That's amazing. Yeah. What else did you see?
We've seen heaps of cabinetry, flooring, aluminium windows, really good quality aluminium windows, great thermal ratings, thermal breaks, really good quality, plenty of handles, bathroom wares, fittings, fixtures, PVD coatings, you name it, we can get it here, thanks Lindy. And the Canton Fair, we went to the Canton Fair, and it was mind-blowing. It was overwhelmingly massive, and we saw everything there.
Other than the factory, what else did you do?
Lindy took us out, we did authentic Chinese dinner, we did a beautiful seafood dinner tonight. It was amazing. We've seen nightlife. We've met other developers, builders. We've got unbelievable TAs who translate for us. They organise all our taxis. It's just been fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So, from the moment you landed in China, and how is your experience so far?
The experience has just been wonderful. It really has. It's been really easy. I don't know how to do anything, so just to have someone take us from place to place, organise the cabs, take us into the places. Everywhere we've gone, the factories, they're so accommodating, they're so polite, they're so nice, and just show us through everything. They show us their factory, they show them everything getting manufactured, through to the showroom. It's been an awesome trip.
Well, for example, if one of the projects you use for the material from China, what in your view would be average saving?
I would say about 40% saving on our materials, which, our projects start at $1 million. Our materials are probably about 400,000 just for materials. 40%, do the math. It's amazing.
Fantastic. So in that case, would you come back and do it again?
Definitely, yes. Next time I come back, I'll be buying.
Wonderful. Yeah. So what do you say about the China Direct Sourcing and the Lindy Chen's team?
Thank you. Thank you for showing me the other side of the building and construction supplies.
To the builder who is hesitating coming to China, what would you say to them?
Stop hesitating. Get off your ass. Get on a plane and come over here.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Lindy.